Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my classic hourly vertical that I use for work. And this week I thought, you know what, I'd try something new, try different combinations of sticker books, and I'm going to combine Rock This from the latest back to school release with Happy Blooms. Let's get started. Okay. So when I first chose this combination, I'm like, how am I going to make this work? I really like the colors of Rock This, but there's not a lot of decor in here. Like there's the page of leaves, that's it. So I want to try and make this work using these pages. So the ones with the green, not those necessarily, just the ones with the green. So we'll see how that works. First thing I'm going to do though is actually go in and start putting down boxes for my meetings because, well, you know, this is formatted for the teacher planner, so it's definitely not going to fit in these columns. It's not going to fit because it's very wide, but I still want to be able to make that work. So looking at Monday the 10th. Monday the 10th, I have 4 meetings only. So, and they're all at different spots, of course. So there's these stars that could work. Or, ooh, I do have a day off. Let's see. Or these. I'm just thinking what would be the best thing to use. I think what I'm going to do is just use these flags. Let's get my trusty tweezers here. So I've got a coaching at 11 and 11:30. So basically, just putting one there because that covers both. And then I have a 2 o'clock coaching and a 2:30 meeting. So really, not a lot on the Monday, thank goodness. Then Tuesday, I have a little bit more. I have 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11:30, 12 o'clock, 12:30, and a 3 o'clock. So I'm wondering if I do want to try use boxes more because I think it looks so great in a spread when you can do it. So I could use one of these. However, they're huge. And my meetings are from 10 to 1. So, I mean, I could certainly just do this, but it's huge. If I stopped caring about the actual time. Okay, let's do that. Okay. And then put another flag down for the 3 o'clock meeting. Then, oops. Then I feel like I need to put a box, not a big one like this, but even that due date box feels huge. Things to do. I like that. I feel like I should have used that big box, but that's okay. Oh, there's a noted. Nah. Okay. I'm going to use a due date. But what I'm going to do is actually just overlap it like this, and then I'm going to white out where it says due date because that is not what I'm going to be using this sticker for. This sticker is basically going to be for a meeting that I have at that time. And then I've got, gosh, Wednesday feels light, at 10 o'clock. I've got a 10 o'clock, a 12:30, and a 1 o'clock. So a 10, oh, and a, what was the other one? 2 o'clock. So I'll put 2 o'clock down here. And then this, I almost feel like I should put boxes for them, but 12:30. And then the other one was at 10. Okay. I am off on Thursday, so I can actually use a day off sticker. Yay. It'll just be very tiny. Out of all the stickers, day off. Then let's move that over. And actually, what I could start doing up here is putting things up like task list, or probably other flags that I could use. Good stuff, test due date. So this is the thing. I'm trying to show you guys how to use different types of stickers in your planner. Even if you're not a teacher, you can still certainly make use of some of the stickers that are in here. Remember, day off, and then I'm going to put one more, not assignment, because I don't have an assignment. Not a faculty meeting. Okay. Grading, copy, prep, test today, quiz today. Reschedule, lesson plan, reschedule, no. Okay, let's just do another task list. That's absolutely fine. And then Friday, I have one meeting, one coaching session, and it's at 10 o'clock. Okay. So then I feel like I could be a little bit more creative. So this is basically all the meetings that I have for the week. I'm going to grab one of the long boxes. Love this. The don't forget. Yes. Now the thing is, because it's so wide, it's going to go and overlap unless I'm just very, very careful about where I put it down. Okay. Then I could start actually using some of the decor. So let's put down another bright blue, but I want to see how it's going to look with the bird. Oh, the bird matches perfectly. So if we put this here, and then put a box like so. And then let's see, what else could I put down? Put this down here, and then I'm just going to add another leaf to it. But I do love the colors of that. Then I'm going to add this here. And I think I'm going to try and do, there's not a ton of like inspirational quotes in this one. That's okay. So in terms of like inspirational quotes, I'm not going to have anything to put down there. There's love this year looks bright. But what I think I'm going to put down on this side is, I like these, but I like my boxes to have borders. Go figure. I like these notebook ones, but okay, let's do this. Let's put a things to do sticker like so, and then another one, maybe I almost wish it was just a plain box that, you know, but I'll make use of that. Then I'm going to see how I can fit Hello Beautiful Day. It doesn't look like I can. So, see the good, love this day, this year looks bright. Let's put a blue one there. I actually really like the structure of that, and then I can put some florals down here in the corner. So I haven't used too many of the, ooh, that is pretty, and that might match the color scheme. Let me just see. I can peel it up. It's just the peach that wouldn't, no. And the peach, for me, I can see that, so no, I won't put that down. I love, these are perfect. These are absolutely perfect for this spread. And, oh my gosh, actually no, those not so much. Well, where's the scissors? I have to cut these carefully because if I cut it in half, it'll just look wonky. So let's do this. Then I'm gonna leave this for next time. Then I'm gonna add, oh come on, leaf. Oh, and another bird. I'm gonna have to add the bird. But where? I feel like one bird's enough. One bird's enough. And then one more blue floral. I think just works so well. Oh, I love it. I feel like I need, though, like the big day off down here, or even a big floral, but this is massive, and that, I feel like that would take away from the spread. So it looks like a bit of a crazy spread, but I think it works. Once I put in all my meetings and things, I think it's gonna really work. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, and have yourselves a great day.